Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create a new SPAN drive in Windows 11. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Right-click First Disk, click New SPAN Volume. Click Next, click Add all disks one by one. Check Mount in the following empty NTFS folder, to select C drive or accessing drive. Check Assign the following drive letter, change any drive letter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.